shit? What the hell?
No, nigga shit.
And right now, you can save £50 per person.
Nah, I ain't never been with a baddie. She calm, so I added to the tally. Madison, but
Just kick that rock. I'm not gonna fall.